Why does a customer pick your company over the competitors? It's a great question. Can you answer it? Well, generally we know that price is typically third or fourth down on the list. So what other value drivers are there that they selected you over your competitors? Can you answer that question? Was it the quality of service that you provide? Is it versatility? What is it? Now, if you can't answer that question, the best thing to do is just to go interview your clients. And I've done this many times for our clients, our marketing clients, where I contact their clients and I actually interview them, and I simply just ask them 4 questions. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to pull out what it is that made us different, that they selected us or them over their competitors. So the first question I always ask is, why did you hire us as your cleaning service? Straightforward question. So now it's a simple question, and maybe some people might just get stumped by that, couldn't come up with an answer. So what you do is, if that's the case, you just give them a little follow-up question. Was it the services that we provided? Was it a referral? So you can help them unlock what they don't remember. So that's what you'll do there. And question number 2 is, why would you stay with us? Or why do you stay with us? So that's a great question too. We need to know why our clients are staying with us. And through this questioning, you're going to be able to find out really what differentiates you from everybody else, and that's why they selected you over your competitors. So with the number 2 question, you might want to ask, what is it that you appreciate most about what we do? Try to get them to think a little bit. Then, if they're still kind of stumbling on that, then what you can do is just follow up with another question. When was there a time when, that we responded quickly to a request, or, fill in the blank? Just ask the question. When was there a time, then fill in that blank. Number 3, what do we do that others don't? Great question. So again, if they're having a hard time thinking about that, just give them some more follow-up questions. Just ask them, in what way are we different? Do others communicate as well as us? Get them thinking about communication. Do others respond quickly to your requests? Do they respond quickly, or does it take them a day or 2 before they even get back to them? So just do some follow-up questions and you'll be able to uncover some of these things. Question number 4. Before you worked with us, what was your biggest frustration with cleaning your facility or home? If you're cleaning a home, then you just fill in the blank, cleaning your home. So and again, some follow-up questions to that could be, what would you like done that wasn't getting done? So it helps them think about that. They probably had a cleaning service to where, they wanted some services done or a service, and they just never did it. So that probably prompted them to make a change. And the other one is, was there ever a time that you came into the office or the home and you always had to fix things or rearrange things? So a good follow-up question, just to get them thinking again. But if you were to ask these 4 questions in your interview of your clients, it will uncover what differentiates you from your competition. And from that, from what you get from these interviews, you're going to probably see a common theme. Either it's, maybe it's communication, maybe they really liked your responsiveness through the process, or maybe they really liked how you had testimonials from other businesses like theirs, in which you handle the situation and turn things around. So that's what you're going to find out by doing this. Like I say, I've done it many times for a lot of our marketing clients. I've contacted their clients and did these interviews, and we uncovered a lot of great information. So if you're asking yourself, why does a customer pick your company over competitors? Well, this is a great way to find out if you're not sure what it is that really sets you apart. So If you're interested in, or if you don't want to do the interviews yourself, you can always contact me. You know, I do provide coaching, and I'll be happy to do this for you. I can call your clients and do the interviews for you, and we can uncover some of these things. You know, just go to the janitorialstore.com, go to the coaching page, and go ahead and you can sign up for you know, an hour's worth of coaching, and you know, be more than happy to go ahead and do this for you. And you know, as usual, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you got some good information from this and you liked it, go ahead and click on the like button and the share button. And as always, you know, thanks for checking in today. We'll see you next time.